What's up everyone, this is Rupesh from Absolute Gizmos, and this is the first impression and unboxing of the Techno Camon iTwin. So this is the box of the Techno Camon iTwin. They had been an Indian market, so this is the box. I'll show you the box from every side. So the price quoted on the box is 12,499. I don't know the exact pricing what the Techno is gonna price this off. So this is the box. I'll just quickly open the wraps and all those things before to you. So again, this comes with the Snapdragon 425 inside. So I'll just quickly unbox it. So this is the device. It comes with an infinity display. You could actually view it off, and again, I'll just keep it at the side. So the first thing I'll show you is that it comes with kind of paperwork and the case for the device. So I'll keep that on side, and more to that, it comes with the micro USB to USB cable, which is again of good quality. It comes with the power charging brick, which is again of 5 volt 2 amp, not a fast charger. It comes with an headphones right inside the box. These headphones are earpod styles of the headphones, which are of a decent quality. It has a Techno branding on it, and it comes with the microphone. So that's pretty much you get inside the box. I'll quickly show the device overview. So the device on the right side, it has the power button and the volume rocker button. On the top it has nothing pretty much. On the left hand side it has the SIM tray. At the bottom it has the speaker grill, the micro USB charging port, and the microphone and the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the rear you find the Techno branding with the fingerprint scanner and the dual rear camera. So I'll quickly show down the specs of the device. So this device, as I said, comes with the Snapdragon 425 inside, which is again a quad-core processor. I'll list down the specs on the screen. It has a 13 and 2 megapixel rear camera. It has a 13 megapixel front camera with flash. The device which we have on this video, 32 GB internal memory and a 3 GB of RAM. So this is a 6-inch full view display which comes with a 4000 mAh battery. I'll quickly show the overview. I'll quickly set up the device, and this is how it is. The first thing I noticed once I set up the device, it comes with a high OS, a custom skinned Android right out of the box. So we'll quickly see the Android version. It comes with Android 8.0 right out of the box, and we'll quickly see the internal memory, what you get out of the 32 gigabyte of it. So pretty much 8 gigabytes has been used by the system. Let me quickly show you the fingerprint scanner, how quick it is. And again, I have no issues with the fingerprint scanner. It was quite a bit easy to set up, and yes, it's quite responsive as well, as you can see rightly over on this video. I'll quickly show the camera user interface and some first impression clicks out of it from both the rear and the front camera. So the rear camera shooter is pretty decent, I would say. The portrait mode is, again, I've tried it, it's kind of good. Again, this is only my first impression. I didn't got a time to go through the complete each of those features around, and I tried to shoot the front camera itself. Also, the front camera is kind of good. It has a portrait mode at the front camera, again that has a flash. To your guys, shooting this video from the front camera of the Techno Camon iTwin. This is pretty much directly rightly, nothing processed, anything image rightly. You can see you can get the angle idea, a little bit of constraint, not the most widest angle, but I think it's pretty good doing in the decent lighting conditions. So that's it. That's overall my first impression with this device. Let me know what do you guys want me to do, because I'm gonna do a dedicated gaming review if you guys want it, or what exactly you have doubts with this device. Let me know in the comment section down below what do you guys want to view, or you guys want me to test with this device. Let me know in the comment section, or you can follow me on Twitter or Instagram. You can send me direct message right over there. I'll be answering them personally if I could, or if I'm not able to answer, then definitely subscribe to my channel to watch the more detail about this device. So stay tuned. This is Rupesh Prabhu signing it out from Absolute Gizmos.